Hello and welcome to TNV Academy. I'm your host Akanksha Mishra, and today we are about to dive into one of the smartest moves a startup can make in 2025, adopting ISO 9001. If you are a founder, an early team member, or even an investor in a startup, this episode is going to open your eyes because quality is no longer optional. It is your startup's survival strategy. You might think ISO 9001 is only for big businesses or manufacturers, but that is an outdated myth. In today's fast-paced, hyper-competitive world, ISO 9001 is becoming the secret growth weapon for small, agile startups that want to build fast without breaking things. Let's understand why. Startups and the chaos trap. Startups are exciting, but let's admit it, they can be chaotic. One person manages 5 tasks, priorities change by the day, and no two customers have the same experience. This figure it out as we go culture works initially, but as you grow, it becomes your biggest bottleneck. Deliveries delay, quality drops, and deep coordination weakens. This is where startups hit a wall. What they need is a system, not bureaucracy, but a lightweight structure that supports innovation while avoiding disaster. That is exactly what ISO 9001 offers. It brings a structure to the chaos, clarity to the confusion, and consistency to every customer experience. What is ISO 9001 and why does it matter? ISO 9001 is the international standard for quality management systems, that is QMS. It doesn't tell you how to run your business. Instead, it helps you define your own systems clearly, how you deliver quality, how you manage customer expectations, and how you improve continuously. In simple terms, ISO 9001 helps startups answer these critical questions. What are we doing? What is doing it? Are we doing it right? And how can we do it better next time? It helps you turn everyday hustle into repeatable, scalable systems. That is gold for a startup. The 5 big reasons why ISO 9001 is a startup game changer. It builds instant credibility. In the early stages, your biggest challenge is trust. Why should someone choose you over an established brand? ISO 9001 gives you a shortcut to credibility. It tells clients and partners, we may be new, but we are serious about delivering consistent quality. It attracts serious investors. Investors want more than great ideas. They want sustainable execution. ISO 9001 proves your startup is not running on chaos. It signals maturity, preparedness, and commitment to operational excellence. It saves time, money, and energy. With no proper systems, startups bleed resources. Repeating mistakes, unclear responsibilities, and poor communication slow you down. ISO 9001 reduces rework, aligns teams, and increases efficiency. It is productivity on autopilot. It turns customers into loyal fans. One bad delivery can kill a customer relationship. ISO 9001 enforces consistent processes, ensuring every customer gets the same high-quality experience. This creates loyalty, referrals, and positive reviews. It enables smart scaling. Growth is exciting until you are overwhelmed. ISO 9001 allows you to scale with control. Your processes are documented, roles are clear, and training new hires becomes seamless. Scaling no longer breaks your startup, it strengthens it. Real startup stories. ISO 9001 in action. Let's take a look at real startups that have benefited from ISO 9001. One Bangalore-based SaaS startup got ISO 9001 certification to impress a Japanese client. Not only did they get the contract, but they also saw a 37% drop in bugs, improved customer satisfaction, and a faster onboarding process. Another case is a wellness D2C brand that struggled with inconsistent product batches and return requests. After adopting ISO 9001, they improved packaging quality, standardized production, and saw a 25% boost in positive reviews. There was also a logistics startup that scaled from 2 to 9 cities within a year. The CEO says ISO 9001 helped them replicate operations without losing control or speed. These aren't corporations, they are startups just like yours. And they didn't get ISO 9001 because they were big. They become big because they got ISO 9001. The simple ISO 9001 Startup Roadmap. So how do you start? Gap analysis. Understand where your current practices stand. Define processes. Build your quality manual and SOPs tailored to your startup. Train your team. Everyone should understand quality expectations. Internal audit. Review performance and fix gaps. External audit. Get certified by an accredited body. Show the world. Use your ISO certification to gain clients, investors, and media attention. And remember, you don't have to do this alone. We at TNB Academy are here to help guide startups like yours every step of the way. The investor's perspective. ISO is equals to confidence. In 2025, investors are not just looking at revenue or app downloads. They want to see operational discipline. A startup that has ISO 9001 certification stands out immediately. It tells the investor, you have processes, you are serious about long-term growth. You are ready for scale, not just survival. It is a low-cost signal with high-impact results. ISO 9001, a mindset, not just a certificate. Here is the truth. ISO 9001 isn't just a certificate you hang on your wall. It is a mindset. It tells your team, we don't guess our way forward. We build, we measure, and we improve. Startups that adopt this mindset early gain something that no amount of funding can buy: operational confidence. You stop wondering if you are doing the right thing. You start knowing it. So if your startup is preparing to scale, facing quality issues, or just wants to level up, don't wait. Implement ISO 9001 before the chaos becomes your culture. Let a structure fuel your speed. Fast is good, but fast plus quality is unstoppable. Let me leave you with this. In today's world, anyone can start a startup, but only the ones that combine speed with quality truly succeed. ISO 9001 is your foundation for explosive yet controlled growth. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with the startup founders who are building the future. This is Akanksha Mishra signing off from TNB Academy, where we help you build smarter, scale faster, and grow with quality. Thank you.